Hello there, how are you doing? We have arrived to a brand new section, and in this section, we're going to learn about operators. So, this is a very well structured way of learning a new programming language. And once you learn in such a way, not just JavaScript, even if you decide to go ahead and learn some other programming language, your life will be a lot easier because this gives you a solid understanding of how a programming language works. Okay. So let's begin. Let's begin with unary. I find it difficult to pronounce unary operator probably. Okay, so what is it? Well, technically, what it is the operator that works only on one value. Okay, the one that works only on one value are called unary operators. Okay, for example, increment, decrement are unary operators. So let me show you what I mean by that. So variable is I'm going to name it let's make 30. So if I do is plus plus, okay, so what happens is it increments by 1 each time. So this is a postfix way. Okay, now console log is, okay, and let's see what happens. First, as you can see, it's 31. Okay, so let's create another variable. Variable age is 2 equals to 30. Okay, and then now this was postfix, but now let's do prefix. So let's decrement is 2. Okay, this is prefix. Now console log is 2. Let's see what we get here. We get 29. Okay, so conversion is pretty important to understand. So for example, let's create a variable string1 equals to 01. It's a number, but we have written it as a string. Okay, so let's do the same with string2, string3. Okay, so string2, let's make it a floating point number. Okay, and then string3, let's give it just a string. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to show you, for example, string1 equals to, let's use the plus unary operator, plus string1. Now if you console string1, what do you expect to see? Plus. So it we use this operator on this value because this is a string value, it's not a number. So how does this work? What happens is this, the JavaScript engine tries to convert it to a number because it sees that it's a number. So even though it is wrapped in a string, it tries to convert because we use the unary operator. Because of this operator, because this is a mathematical operator, yeah, it's a string, but let's see how it works. As you can see, it becomes 1. It doesn't stay string anymore. Same with string 2. If we use this plus operator on string 2, which is a floating point, let's see what happens. Okay, we get 1.1. So it is unchanged. Okay, floating point is unchanged. Right. Now if we try on the string, which is a complete string, it has no numbers or whatsoever. So what happens in that case? If we use this plus operator on string, we get not a number. So as you can see, these unary operators, they do mathematical conversion. You know, they try to convert everything to number. Even if it is a string, it tries to convert to a number. So that's important to understand. All right, so it works in a similar way even with the minus. Okay, so instead of plus, let's use minus, and let's see what happens. Refresh. Okay, so the first result is -1, So the string 01 converted to -1 because we use the minus operator. Next one, the floating point became -1.1, and the third one became not a number. Okay, so the lesson out of this is whenever you use the plus or minus operator, they will try to perform the mathematical conversion. Okay, so that's it for unary operator. Now we move on to the Boolean operators in the next video. Thank you.